The Australian Embassy hosting a super summit in Washington to showcase the country's investments in the U.S. economy. Joining us now, Paul Schroeder, Chief Executive at AustralianSuper, Australia's largest pension fund. And thank you, Paul. We appreciate it.
Good morning.
We appreciate as an American, we appreciate the interest. What makes it so attractive? And is it more attractive now? I mean, the United States, I think, historically, the economy has outperformed most of the rest of the world and the stock market, maybe at different times as well. Is there a reason to double it now?
Yeah, it's a win-win situation, actually. The American economy, it would have been the worst bet you could have made against the American economy in the last century, and we expect exactly the same in the future. But this is a win-win because we can invest alongside great American companies, invest in the share market here, and then Australians win as well. So it's the perfect situation for us. This is a great, diverse economy. It's got an entrepreneurialism about it. It's got a drive about it. It's got a hope about it. That's really quite divergent from the rest of the world. It's on a winning course.
I mean, you look at Silicon Valley. I guess you look at, not to disparage Australia, I'm not making any comments there, but the system of government in the United States, the constitutional republic, deregulation, all of those things. Yeah, I guess anything new, anything because of, I mean, is this related to the change in administration on January 20th?
Well, all of the indications we've had from the new administration are really encouraging about co-investing and investing for American jobs, investing for profits in America, but also the incredible relationship between the US and Australia over all of the decades. So all of the signs from the new administration are encouraging, but we have to look through that. We have to think 20 years, 30 years, because the Australian super system, which is pension the way you guys think about it, we've got to think about people's retirement. That's the main job. So getting good exposure to equities, thinking about US treasuries, thinking about private credit across the whole spectrum. These are all things that will build people's balances in their retirement. And, you know, who wouldn't want to be part of a golden age?
Right. But Australia has different maybe concerns than the United States in certain ways, maybe more commodity-based in some ways, more. I think it's important that China succeed in certain ways for Australia.
Well, there are definitely differences between the economies. If you look at our stock exchange, or if you look at Australia generally, we're really good at banking, mining, swimming and super. And so this is a much more diversified economy, you know, tech adjacency, healthcare. Frankly, this is a much larger but also a much more sophisticated economy and society, really. So it's a great place for us to invest. But we have very shared values. We think about things in a very similar way, driven, competitive, but also, you know, thinking about the future. So, you know, there's quite a lot of you know, sad places around the world, but everyone I bump into here, it's full of energy and hope, and that's really good because investing's always about the future. You can't look back; you've always got to look forward.
Well, how do you view the energy future? How quickly can there be a transformation globally? And for example, did you invest in a lot of fossil fuel companies, or more interested in renewable?
Well, getting the balance is the right thing, right? So what we've got to think about is there is going to be a transition. There's no doubt about that. The world is transitioning, but you have to do that in a way where power is available and affordable and secure. So we've just got to have really credible plans to make sure that as we move from one thing to another, that doesn't make energy more expensive for everyday Americans and everyday Australians. We've got to make sure that it's secure. And so, of course, we invest in fossil fuels. Of course, we support the existing energy, but it's as part of a transition to a more renewable future.